In today's video, I'm going to teach you top 3 best Stremio add-ons. We're going to quickly walk through how to find and install 3 useful add-ons inside Stremio, so by the end of this video, you'll have them ready to use from your library. This process is simple, and since Stremio is already open and logged in, we can jump right in. Start by opening Stremio on your device. Once the app is fully loaded, look for the main navigation area or the sidebar, depending on the version you're using. From there, open the Add-ons section. This is where Stremio lets you browse extra features and tools that can improve your overall experience. After that, enter the add-ons catalog. This is the area where all available add-ons are listed together, making it easy to search through different options. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct catalog view before moving on, so you can clearly see the available add-ons. The first add-on to install is Radios. Find the Radios add-on in the catalog and click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the add-on does. Once you're there, click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. It normally only takes a few moments, so just give it a second to complete successfully before continuing. Next, go back to the catalog and select the Anime Kitsu add-on. Open its page, then click Install, just like before. Wait until the installation finishes completely. It's always a good idea to let each add-on finish installing before opening another one, just to avoid confusion and make sure everything is added properly. Now return to the catalog again and look for the IMDb Ratings add-on. Open the add-on details page, then click Install. Wait until Stremio confirms that the add-on has been installed successfully. This add-on can be especially helpful if you want to see ratings information while browsing content, so it's a nice one to have set up. Once all 3 add-ons have been installed, go back to the main library screen. This is where you can confirm that your installed add-ons are now active and available in your Stremio setup. Returning to the library also helps you verify that everything was installed correctly and that the app is ready for use. And that's it. You've now installed 3 of the best Stremio add-ons: Radios, Anime Kitsu, and IMDb Ratings. Thanks for watching.